Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, cats and kittens, welcome back to the podcast. Thank you. For those who did not attend the live stream last night, we had a lot of fun on this one. I finally got some screens set up, so it's not so static the entire show. It's a little bit animated. In fact, I'm going to show you that today. We took you through Secret Swap. We took you through Sienna. We took you through Button Group, and Button Group is great because we discovered Mount Doom. That Steve is it's his show. Button Group is his thing, but he created Mount Doom, and that's exactly what it's called. And what it is a place to burn tokens or NFTs. It's a crusher. That's what he made. He made the crusher, so you could see that they're burned, and you could see where they were burned at. Steve is he's an interesting guy. We're gonna get him back on the show. He's a lot of fun, but. For those who haven't watched our replay and judging by the views, not a lot of folks do, we thought it'd be fun to just take you through this real quick. Guys, I'm off script. Please give me a little bit of a break on this one. So for those who are not familiar with Secret Swap, who are not familiar with Sefi, who are not familiar with Sienna, who are not familiar with Button Swap, we're just going to inch you through it a little bit. Now, I made a call last night, and we were all picking our favorite tokens. Now, you guys know I'm an Osmo kind of guy. I like Osmo. I like Osmosis. I like Cosmo. I like Bitsong. I like Bitcana. I like basically anything that's touching Osmo. But I went out on a limb, and I made the call for Sefi. I said Sefi is the one that I'm expecting to see the largest returns on this year is going to be Sefi, and we've never even done a Sefi video. That's Eric's thing, and I don't want to step I don't want to step on his toes, but I think he'll excuse me on this one. So just before we get going, though, I'd like to illustrate right here. Sefi. It suddenly decided to do this, and I mean, I couldn't be happier about it. I own a lot of CFI. I'm staked pretty handily over there. But I'll tell you what. Let me just get you over there, and we'll show it to you real quick. So if you want to play around with CFI and you want to see what they have going on over there, it's app.secretswap.io. You can see it right there on top. And when you come over here, you're also in the swap feature. So you have the swap, you have pools, you have your staking percentages, you have your cash, everything. So real simple. You're going to be connecting up your Kepler wallet to all of this. So if you just pull up the Kepler wallet and you connect, and everything that you have is going to show up right over here. So for example, if you wanted to swap secret for, I don't know, let's put it to Sefi. If you wanted to swap secret for Sefi, you pull in what you want to swap, where you want to swap it to. You hit the amount, and you go ahead and hit swap. I'm not going to because I'm using this for another video, but that's going to send it to the Kepler wallet. You come over, you hit the button, boom, you're swapped. If you want to stake it, you're going to come over here. You're going to hit the earn button. You're going to go to wherever it is that you want to stake. Say, example, let's say Sefi staking, the old one, which I don't use anymore. Oh, you got to migrate. That was not a good call. Hang on, Scott. Let's go back over here, and let's pick another one that is actually alive and well. Let's say secret USDT. So you're going to put it in, and you're going to hit the earn button, and it's going to start showing up here. Now, these little magnifying glasses that you see all over the place here, guys, these are viewing keys because this is on Secret Network, and the only way that you're going to see what you actually have in there is to create a unique viewing key. So if I wanted to see my Sefi balance right here, then you're going to have to create it, error swapping because I didn't do it. You're going to hit the little magnifying glass. You're going to approve it. You're going to pay the 9 cents. Hit approve, wait for it, and it's going to create a viewing key over on your Kepler wallet so that you can see what kind of Sefi you might have in this particular contract. Again, this is Secret Network, so all of these contracts are, in fact, secret. So if you do not create a viewing key, you're not going to see it. But after that, you're going to pop over, you're going to go to your Kepler wallet, you're going to go down to Secret Network, and down here is where you're going to see all of your individual assets that you have put into Secret, particularly anything that you have going on here on Secret Swap. So you need to create the viewing key. I just showed you how. You pay the 9 cents. Boom, you got the viewing key. Now, The viewing key is not forever. It is on this system. So as long as I'm doing what I'm doing right here on this particular computer, the viewing key with this particular wallet, the viewing key is good. But if you don't use that, then it's if you want to use it on mobile or another computer, you're gonna have to create new viewing keys, and that's gonna be 9 cents a pop. Apparently, they think money just grows on trees because 9 cents, right? I mean, come on. So anyway, that'll give you a very, very rough idea. And I guess if you go back slow and replay the videos slowly, frame by frame, you'll be able to see what we did and how we got there. So that is Secret Swap. You can also come over here to Button Group, which is btn.group. And if you come over here, it's kind of a very basic page, but Steve is not really a graphics kind of guy, but he is a thinker. So that Mount Doom that I was just telling you about, if you come over here to features and you go down to Mount Doom, this is a burn address. That's all it is. This is what it does. So with the button, this is a burn address smart. You know what? You can read it. There it is. This is what it does. So the people who want to burn something but want to be able to verify that it was burned, they can come here to Mount Doom. So the following NFTs or any SNP20 token, you can send it right here. You can submit it, and it's gone. All right, it is it's the incinerator in Toy Story 3. So anything that's sliding down that hill is gonna go right here to Mount Doom, and it's just gonna go poof. But you can verify that it went poof. So for the folks who say, well, you didn't really burn it. Yeah, I did. Right here. Suck it. And yeah, so that is Mount Doom. And then the other one that we were playing around with a little bit was Sienna Swap. So for those who are not familiar with Sienna Swap, right up top there, sienna.network swap, launch the app. And if you wanted to get into this, oh, and by the way, Button Group's got an excellent swap mechanic. But if you wanted to come over here, you go straight here to swap, and I'm sure you guys can figure it out from here. These are the tokens you can swap from. These are the tokens you can swap to. So again, all of this is connected through the Kepler wallet. Cosmos, Secret exists on Cosmos, so if you can get to Cosmos, you can get to all of these things. It is a fantastic ecosystem, just fantastic ecosystem, and the reason that most of my money is over here now as opposed to where it was is just for this reason, because I want interoperability, and it's nice to sit there and wait for it on Ethereum. It's a lot better just to have it now. So, boom, we're over here on Cosmos. The bulk of everything has went up, and what's amazed me is that it's went up so well in a bear market. You got to admit, things are a little bit wobbly right now. So aside from the people that are maximizing the new listings on Coinbase and just day trading the hell out of them, aside from the folks that are doing that, there's just not a lot of people are earning. But Cosmos has been very, very good to me. It's been very, very good to the folks on the Discord. If you're not familiar with the podcast Discord, the links right there in the video description are up above. And there's just a lot of good information, and there's a lot of brain power on that Discord. So it's not me just talking about how great I am, even though we all know I am. Huh? Look at the smile. It's a lot of good information, I guess, is where I'm going with this. So if you guys would like me to really, really blow out a video on this and show you step by step as opposed to the quick way we just did it, you know what? Leave it in the comments, man. We would be happy to make the how-to videos. I love making how-to videos. But yeah, I gotta go back again because somebody is very, very happy right now, and and they're probably happy because of that. And the person that's probably happiest is definitely going to be me. It's a good product, man. That's all I gotta say. I wish I could sell it better. And on Eric's behalf, I really wish I could sell it better, but it is what it is. So again, thank you for indulging me for just a few minutes, guys. This is what we did on the live stream last night. So once again, if you would like to see us blow it out, just drop it in the comments, man. I'm happy to make them. And yeah, that's it. So until next time, everybody, please be safe and please be smart with your money. Cheers.